this clip, I'll do the unboxing for the diagnose tester I've purchased. iCarSoft LR version 3. LR because it's dedicated to Land Rover and Jaguar cars. From what they say, this version should be able to deliver the amount of quality service that you would expect from a professional device used in a car repair shop. Luckily, because they also decided to make these devices, not only the professional ones that are dedicated to a large variety of vehicles, these ones that are dedicated to a small amount of car makers allows the price to be very good for us to buy, especially when comparing to the ones that are available for the professional car repair shop. The offered services vary a lot. Also, there's a lot of information about what it offers, but also about how it's best to store it in order to avoid damaging it in any way. I like very much this satchel detail. It's very practical for storing, but also for transport, of course. Very nice to see inside that everything is shockproof. Okay, all good, all premium. We have here the user manual. Here you can see all version 3 options for all the vehicles that each model is dedicated to. As we said before, our model is LR for Zuri. As you can see, it's very well structured, it's very complex, very informative. Of course, it is indeed a device that requires all sorts of explanations, given the amount of offered services and also their complexity. In this main pocket we can find the device. So you can see its size. Here I'll put my hand beside it. So it's quite big. It's very easy to keep in hand. The ergonomic design makes it very good to keep in hand. Good grip, it's not slippery at all. Seems to be very sturdy built. However, I wouldn't want to test that by dropping it. As you can see, it has various commands. This way you have access to all the advanced options it offers. And here in the smaller pocket we should find the cable for connecting to the car. Exactly. As you can see, this is the cable for connecting to the OBD2 port of the car. Has also a safety, very nice feature. This is the outlet that connects to the device. And this small cable here is used for updating the software. As you can see, it has a USB port for connection with a PC or a laptop, and also a mini USB port for the device itself. So as I've said, the cable is used for updating the software because the device comes already with a built-in software already prepared to diagnose and all the other advanced functions it offers. However, every year the developers bring improvements to the software so that it may perform better in the required actions. This is why it would be best for us to have the latest software version. We can download it from their site and keep our tool updated. When buying this tool, you have free lifetime update, so you don't have to make any more payments. You just have to connect it and do the update with the laptop or PC. It's true, this product is not exactly entry level, but same as with the rest of the tools, we shall see in time how it performs. If you like it, if it's useful, if you wish to unite and grow the With Our Hands community, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you wish to keep up with the latest info, don't forget about the bell. For any questions or suggestions, please use the comment section. I will respond with a comment, or I will even make a video on the topic. All the best to you all. The future is made with our hands.